So prior to Flowlens, we had an ad hoc system of spreadsheets and Word documents and emails that we were using to control our business. We decided that we can't go on using our ad hoc systems, and our clients need us to have ISO 9001 certification. We're a niche supplier of high-pressure subsea emergency disconnect systems for the offshore oil and gas industry. Our lead times would have continued to be 30+ weeks, which was unacceptable, and we'd have had little control over everything we were doing. We knew we needed a piece of software or a tool that provided end-to-end control of our manufacturing processes and our sales process. We didn't have ISO 9001 in place in our business. We were operating our set of spreadsheets, handwritten databases and emails. We were driven to implement ISO 9001 by some of our new bigger customers that needed to have this in place to demonstrate that we had control of our system and that we were capable of delivering the specialist products that they required. The access to the sandbox in order to be able to play with the system was excellent, great idea. We got comfortable with it really quickly and really easily. Training, introduction to it, and from my point of view, the easiest way that we learn in our business is just to have a go. Price was good. It clearly demonstrated everything that I needed from the manufacturing system. We weren't expecting it to be quite so good, and to be able to control the sales process, that was fantastic. 18 months ago, we delivered a major contract in about 30 weeks. 3 months ago, we delivered a similar contract in 7.5 weeks. The fact we were able to deliver a project in 7.5 weeks meant that we were actually given the project, and we would never have got the contract in the first place. Flowlens' role in reducing from 30 weeks to 7.5 weeks, we were able to, first of all, issue a consistent set of purchase orders. We were able to see who's not delivered yet. We're able to make sure we've ordered everything, because there's a classic problem where we think we've ordered everything on a spreadsheet and then we discover when we're putting it together we've not ordered one of the main components. It just gives you the absolute overall visibility of everything within the project. We've reduced wastage, if you class time as wastage. We've reduced duplicated work in the workshop. We've also reduced purchasing multiples of components where we had misordered stuff because the spreadsheet was incorrect. Flowlens does talk to QuickBooks, and it creates the records for QuickBooks, and we can use that as the dedicated standalone accounting system. We've got employees in the UK, Europe and New Zealand. So the ability to be able to use this in the cloud, remotely, easily is critically important to us so that we can continue to operate with people based not in our building and remotely. Getting the team members to use the system is really easy. I keep coming back to how intuitive the system is and how easy it is to use, that we just point people in the right direction and they're able to go with it.